in quiet words, but strong and true. Small folks share tales of what they've been through. From the streets ignored, their voices rise, pleading for fairness beneath the skies. Against the big walls, their cries are heard, asking for justice, each whispered word. Together, they stand, a force so keen, turning dark into a hopeful scene.
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. See? What did I tell you? Even though we sleep every night, there will never be a burglar in this village. This village has always been known to be safe and secure. No one would come here and there to try to do something. Wait, I have something. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is for you. That is your share from a hard work last night. What? You're not happy with the share that you just got? No. That's fine. You have that. I have this. This is way valuable and way better than what's that? That's only a 1. This is a 5. Do you know what a 5 is? 5.
Yes, all of you. What are you doing here?
What are we doing here? Can't you see what we're doing here? It's called serve and protect.
Serve and protect, you say?
You don't believe me? We are lightly dressed at night, fighting the cold breeze. The bags under our eyes are signs of sleep deprivation. We are tired and hungry. Isn't that enough for you? We are watchmen, true watchmen. We sleep at day and protect at night. Show us respect.
Ha! Nonsense. You said that you were only lightly dressed. Then, explain this. You were saying that those baby eyes are sign of sleep deprivation?
I said what I said.
So what? This girl escaped your sleep deprived eyes?
Who is she?
Thief!
Thief!
She's a thief!
Thief!
Don't you know that?
Yeah!
This proves that you were indeed asleep.
Yeah!
Well, how very nice of you to say.
You wanna go? Stop! I said stop! What's going on? What's wrong?
You asked them. They accuse us of neglecting our duties and responsibilities.
They fell asleep and neglected their duty, sir.
Yeah!
There is no evidence.
Here's the evidence.
Who is this woman? Where is she come from? And why is she dressed like that?
Thief!
Thief!
She's a thief!
Thief!
She stole that cassava from
Cassava!
my field and garden.
Yeah!
Wait. How did you know that cassava belonged to your garden?
You doubt my word?
Huh?
Prove it then.
I speak the truth.
Yeah!
Liar, he's lying.
What did you say? Shut up! All of you!
It is better for us to answer directly what truly happened. All agreed. I repeat, all agreed. Well then. Let me ask you this, thief. Is it true that you steal this cassava from the master's garden? Do not be afraid. I mean no harm, and I will not hurt you. So is it true that you steal this cassava from the master's garden?
See? What did I tell you? She's a low-key thief.
If you did take the cassava, then how did you get away with it?
They were asleep when I got here, sir.
So, why did you take the cassava without permission?
I'm sorry. I was starving.
Starving?
Yeah. I wasn't like this before. But soon after you allowed this gentleman monopolize the cassava production. Since then, my family and I have fallen into poverty.
Enough! Both of you!
Please, continue.
Our land was bought cheaply. Our garden were taken by force. We were evicted and left with nothing. Sir, if you allow me, please let us provide for our family. Don't monopolize the cassava production. And sir, please pay attention to us, the little people. Surely this won't happen, and surely I will steal again. I'm sorry. I only did this because I was hungry. Nothing more. I just wanted something to eat.
Stand, my dear. Well, it turns out that all this incident is all our fault. And I, as the safe village, am deeply sorry. From now on, I promise that I will pay more attention to the little people.
As for me, I promise that I will also provide opportunities for those around me who work diligently.
So do we. We will try harder not to disappoint the people of this village, who have trusted us with our ronda duties from the beginning. We finally realized that we are wrong.
So let's realize our mistakes together and start working again for our beloved village. Our beloved village!